Okay, we're going to look at order of operations. That's the second part of PAA 32. You need to know gems. That's going to be instead of PEMDAS. The G is for grouping symbols like these. The E is for exponents. It could be something to a power or square root. M is for multiply and divide. You just need to go left to right. S is for subtract and add. Once again, just go left to right. You work on these from the top to the bottom, so you'd start at the top and then you go to the bottom. Here's some examples of how you'd use this. So you might want to know what comes first whenever you're looking at 3 plus 2 times 8 plus 5 squared minus 3. You'd write it out, just write out gems, because that's what's going to help you follow through this. The G is grouping, and there is a 5 squared minus 3. So that's what you'd want to do first, not the 8 times 2. That is multiplication, and that would happen later. Another example, we'll try 3 squared times 5 minus 6 plus 2. So you write out gems, because you're going to see which one you have. You don't have any grouping, but you do have an exponent, the 3 squared, so that's what you're going to do first. Another example, 10 minus 7 plus 7 times 3 minus 3 squared. So on this one, you just go through the order. You do have a group. You have 10 minus 7 in parentheses, so that's what you're going to do first. Another example, I'm going to do one more after this. 6 plus 4 squared minus 6 squared plus 2. Write out the order of operations. The G is 6 plus 4 because that is in parentheses, so you do that first. Do a little bit of an easier one, still worth going over. 7 times 4 minus 5. So you write out gems. You don't have anything in a group. You don't have any exponents, but you do have multiplication with the 7 times 4. So that's what you do first. That's about it for this. I'm going to do a full example, and then this will be the last thing I do. Just me working out an entire question. You don't have to do this, but it'd be good to know, I guess, how to do it if you did. So I always start, just know what you need to do first, and then after that, you're pretty much just going to work down from what you have left. So I'm going to do everything here in parentheses. So I'd start with the 2 squared is 4. And then I'm going to come back in and add all those up. So 10 minus 4 plus 3 is 9. And then you have minus 2 squared plus 3 times 2. Now you're going to do the exponent. So you have 9 minus 4 plus 3 times 2. Now you're going to do the multiplication, which is 3 times 2. After you do the multiplication, you should just have subtraction and addition left, which is going to be 9 minus 4 plus 6. Just go left to right or type that into the calculator and you get 11. That's about all there is to order of operations. Make sure you practice. Ask me if you have any questions.